The Senate Banking Committee on Criticizing Regulation questioned Gary Gensler, chair of the Securities and Exchange Commission, and Hester Pease, chair of the Securities and Exchange Commission. Concerns were made concerning enforcement and the absence of clear rules. This is breaking news for investors of XRP. It is also highly improbable that the SEC will file an appeal regarding the XRP or ripple program. At the same time, I believe that we will soon witness how the SEC will lose this war. However, the itself is not considered to be a security. Is the Securities and Exchange Commission employing criteria that are contradictory here? I mean, is that in fact what is taking place? I believe that what is taking place is that we are attempting to be vague since the legal accuracy carries with it genuine ramifications. In addition, this is the reason why people have been approaching us and stating that we require clarity. Today, we are going to discuss XRP, the future price of the cryptocurrency, and we are going to get some news. XRP is currently selling at 59 cents, and its maximum valuation is currently $33 billion. This is the scenario that we are currently witnessing. The price of Bitcoin has grown by 5% during the past week, and I believe that the cryptocurrency industry is currently recovering. If we are talking about the price of XRP as well as the current resistance and support levels, the closest support level for XRP is currently at 56 cents, while the closest resistance level is currently in the 59 cents range. The second level of resistance for equal XRP will be at 60 cents, and it is expected that it will rise above 60 cents during the next few days. In my opinion, we can see XRP in the 63 and 66 cents area, and if XRP reaches the 60 cents area, I believe that we will also see how XRP will bottom out, and we will also see how Ripple XRP will start a new bull cycle. Additionally, I believe that XRP will reach higher than 3.5 cents higher than the all-time high, and we will be able to see XRP in the new bull cycle. If we also consider Ripple, we can see that Chris Larsen, the chairman of Ripple, has committed an additional 18 million XRP to the next step. In addition, Chris Larsen transfers 18 million XRP to exchanges, and continued XRP transfers feed questions about the impact on the market. It is yet unclear whether the XRP transfers correspond with predictions about a likely legal appeal from the United States Court of Appeals. Also on Monday, Larsen transferred 3 million XRP to Binance and 15 million XRP to a wallet that was activated by Bittrex. Both transactions took place yesterday. A major event that occurred over the previous few months, in which Larsen transferred huge quantities of XRP, has led to broad discussion among investors and analysts, who are disputing over the potential consequences for the XRP market. This current activity follows the noteworthy observation that occurred over the past few months. Additionally, Chris Larsen did not have an effect on the price of XRP at this time. Additionally, we witnessed Larsen's transfer of 20 million XRP in the week before last, which was in addition to the pre-read transfer of 50 million XRP that had occurred earlier in the month. These substantial sums indicate a pattern of distribution or equidation that has evaded market orders throughout the month. On the lookout and collaborating with any effects on the price of XRP that could occur. However, I believe that this is also the first event in which Larsen has sold XRP because it is the first event in 11 years. In my opinion, this will not have any impact on the price of XRP, and Chris Larsen will continue to cling on to it. From my point of view, each and every founder of every project, whether it be Solana, BNP, Coin, or ATC, has sold the tokens associated with their work. The 6-month time frame for XRP is where compression leads to expansion, and what we see is a triangle. As a result, XRP has had relatively low volatility over the past few years. This is an additional fascinating point that we will discuss. Because 2018 to 2019 was a period of extremely high volatility. Indeed, this was a bear market yet. The situation remains the same at the present day. I also believe that the following candle that will be released in 6 months will rise upward, and this candle will be a very large candle. On Ripple XRP, this candle has the potential to earn $5, $10, or $100 a year. Therefore, if we are talking about a really fascinating statistic, and you are in the middle of XRP enregistrement, it takes Bitcoin 10 minutes to settle a single transaction. However, it just takes XRP 5 seconds, which means that there are 120 XRP transactions for every Bitcoin transaction. As a result of the fact that I transferred my Bitcoin from Binance Exchange to Cold Wallet yesterday, it took me 30 minutes to complete the transaction. This is absolutely correct, and it has been validated. The XRP price boom failed to meet the needs of global banks, and as the XRP price failed to surge over 60 cents, institutional need for liquidity increased and retail speculation increased. If we think about another intriguing fact, we can say that the next price surge will be driven by retail speculation and institutional demand for liquidity. And I believe that the next price spike will be to the 66 cents range, and it will repel 1,700 or more in partnerships with significant institutions that are not publicized as of yet. And financial institutions, the processing of treatments and daily settlements may dramatically boost demand for XRP liquidity. Additionally, there are over 1,700 unresolved disputes with financial institutions, the majority of which fall under the category of non-disclosure disputes. And when a bank transfers value to another bank for the purpose of settling a dispute, That bank will require extensive liquidity pools from which to draw value, otherwise the transaction might not be successful. In addition, if we are to discuss yet another fascinating aspect, the document demonstrates that the SEC acknowledges the role that speculation plays in determining the price and overall utility of XRP. Investors' video evidence from the Securities and Exchange Commission's case against Ripple demonstrates that the agency acknowledges the role that speculation plays in driving the utility of XRP. In addition to this, the SEC reports that the CEO of Ripple underlined the need of creating the required liquidity for the enterprises that intend to utilize XRP for the purpose of potentially reserving it as a key catalyst for the token's Y-wheel. In addition, Anderson stated that he is unable to comprehend the reason why the SEC chose to use the topic as its justification. Despite this, the well-known member of the community noted that a major increase in the price of XRP, which would be driven by speculation and substantial trading volumes, would be beneficial to the tokens that are utilized in Ripple's payments product, such as on-demand liquidity, or DL. In conclusion, I believe that Chris Larsen sold the XRP because he is in need of financial assistance. I believe that this will not result in a dump price or an identical amount of XRP. Furthermore, in my opinion, the 64-year-old billionaire has now sent XRP for fiat currency because he is in need of fiat currency. However, I believe that this is not a stray fee for the price of this rep. Guys, I want to express my gratitude for watching this video. However, make sure you subscribe to my channel and I wish you the best of luck. A lot of questions concerning clarity are brought up by it, in my opinion. The statutes are unambiguous, and the Supreme Court is the one who drafted them, but in addition to that, although the statutes are unambiguous, the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) is not providing any clarity. And that is the question that I am attempting to ask you. The answer is no. In response to the relevant question, which was about the various terminology, you replied a different question rather than responding to the direct one. Greetings to you. Now, Commissioner Pierce, let's get down to business with this dilemma. Do you believe that one of the reasons why multiple terminology are being used here for cryptocurrency is because there is no regulatory clarity or consensus indicating which tokens may or may not be supplied in accordance with an investment contract? That is without a doubt accurate. To conceal the lack of clarity in the regulatory framework, we have adopted a legally imprecise perspective.